In this video, we'll plastify our paper backups so they become more resistant. To do so, we'll use a thermal laminator, which is very easy to use. The ideal is to use 6x9 laminating pouches, but I couldn't find them in this size, so I'm going to use letter size pouches and then cut them in half. Let's get started. Okay, we'll get started with plastifying our backups. So it's going to be very simple. You have the thermal laminator, you just put the backups in the pouches, insert the pouches in the machine. It goes all by itself. You don't have to push, you don't have to pull, nothing. It goes out, it's plastified. So it's going to be very easy. I'll be honest, I'm not very proud of my backups. I really encourage you to purchase thick graph paper that you can use for both the QR codes and the seed words. It's gonna be much better. You won't have to cut it, and it's gonna be at the right size. You can follow the lines. It's much better. These ones are for educational purposes, let's say. Same thing for the pouches. Ideally, you want to find ones that are half the size so that they fit perfectly with your graph paper. In my case, I couldn't find anything else but these big ones. So I'll just put two in one and then cut it in half. So let's get started. As you can see, you don't have to push, you don't have to pull. It's very simple. I'm just gonna support this part of the pouch because otherwise it's gonna fall. But other than that, you don't have to do anything. And here we go. It's plastified. In my case, I just have to cut it in half. But then we have our plastified backups. So yeah, let's continue and do all of them. So this is the result. We have plastified our seeds. And the passphrase as well, and this will ensure that the paper does not get damaged in the recovery packages. It's just better that way. It's added security. Good job. We now have proper paper backups written down on thick paper and plastified. Now let's move on with making indestructible metal backups. See you in the next video.